Good morning, my dear students. Jai Hind to all and welcome again in your maths class. Now, students, let's continue our previous unit of time. Okay, and today we will learn about the concept of quarter past the hour and quarter to the hour. Okay, now take out your maths book and open page number 138. Now beta, this is page number 138. Okay, and today we will learn about the topic quarter past the hour. Okay, so write down here date first beta, and today is 27 November 2020. Okay, and day is Friday. Fine. Now first we will read this, okay, and then I will explain you about this topic. Fine. Now read with me beta, finger on this line. When the minute hand, the longer hand points number 3, then the time is a quarter past the hour. A quarter in time stands for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, that means beta quarter of an hour. Okay, quarter of an hour is equal to 15 minutes. Okay, now बेटा जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है, जब हमारा मिनट हैंड 12 पे होता है और आवर हैंड किसी भी नंबर पर होता है तब हमारा 1 आवर कंप्लीट होता है. लाइक दिस बेटा, अभी हमारी इस क्लॉक के अकॉर्डिंग टाइम क्या है? 9 o'clock, बिकॉज आवर हैंड इज एट 9 एंड मिनट हैंड इज एट 12. ओके, सो द टाइम इज 9 o'clock. बट बेटा जब हमारा 12 के बाद मिनट हैंड मूव करना शुरू होता है तो नेक्स्ट आवर की तरफ हमारा टाइम शुरू हो जाता है. फाइन. लाइक बेटा जब हमारा मिनट हैंड मूव करता हुआ बेटा 3 पे यहाँ पे होता है एंड आवर हैंड इन बिटवीन 9 and 10 बट क्लोजर टू 9. ओके, ये 9 and 10 के बीच में होता है लेकिन 9 के नियर होता है, तब टाइम जो होता है हमारा इसके अकॉर्डिंग, इस क्लॉक के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होगा बेटा? सो बेटा टाइम इज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्लॉक quarter past the 9. Quarter past the 9. That means beta 15 minutes past the 9. Okay. Fine. Quarter means beta 15. Okay. So time is 9:15. So we will write down it like 9:15. Okay. Fine. As beta I told you that between each number on the clock there are 5 minutes. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so according to this beta, from 12 to 3 there are 15 minutes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So according to this clock beta, time is now 9:15. Okay. Now beta, if the minute hand is at 3 and our hand is at between 2 and 3 but closer to 2. Okay, 2 and 3 के बीच में अगर हमारा आवर का हैंड लेकिन 2 के बहुत ही नजदीक है एंड मिनट हैंड इज एट 3 नंबर. So the time is 2, then colon sign, then 15. So the time is 2:15. Okay, that means beta quarter past 2. Okay. Now beta come on the next topic. This is page number 139. Okay, and this is the topic of quarter to the hour. ओके, अभी हमने पहले किसके बारे में पढ़ा है बेटा? क्वार्टर पास्ट द आवर, एंड नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट द क्वार्टर टू द आवर. Okay, now read with me. First, when the minute hand is on 9. Okay, that means 9. The time is a quarter to the next hour. Fine. The time shown is a quarter to 7 o'clock. This means 15 minutes left to 7 o'clock and is written as 6:45. Okay? Between each number on the clock, there are 5 minutes from 12 to 9. There are 45 minutes. Okay? That means beta, if beta the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is in between 6 and 7 but closer to 7, यानी कि बेटा 7 के नजदीक है. Okay, so the time is quarter to 7 o'clock. That means बेटा 7 o'clock टाइम होने में 15 minutes left है. Okay, so we will write down it like 6:45. Fine. Now beta, according to this clock, if the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is in between 9 and 10 but closer to 10. Okay, so beta the time is quarter to 10. That means beta 15 minutes left in the next hour. Okay, so we will write down the time like 9:45. Okay, or 15 minutes left to 10. Fine. Now beta, do you know why I have written here 45? Okay, because from beta 12 to 9 there are 45 minutes. Okay, now count beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, then 45. Okay, so 9 पे बेटा हमारे टोटल कितने मिनट्स होते हैं? 45. So that's why I have write down here 45. Okay, so the time is 9:45. Hope you understood beta. Now I will explain you more with book exercise. So take out your book again, page number 139. Now beta, write down the date first. 27 November 2020 and day is Friday, and this is your classwork. Okay, now read the question number 1. Write the time shown by the clocks. One has been done for you. Okay, now here beta A part already done. Okay, according to this beta, 7:15 o'clock time is shown. Okay, so why beta? Because there is a minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is in between 7 and 8 but closer to 7. So according to this beta, the time is 7:15 o'clock. That means beta 15 minutes passed from 7. Okay, now next beta, according to this clock beta, the time is, the hour hand is in between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is at 3. So the time is beta 4:15. Okay, so we will write down here 4:15 o'clock. Okay, or we will write down like 4:15. Okay, now next beta, C part. According to this beta, the time is, if the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is in between 6 and 7. So the time is beta quarter past 6 o'clock. Okay, so the time is beta 6:15. Fine. Now beta you will do this in homework. Okay, now come on the next question beta. Read the question number 2. Write the time shown by the clocks one has been done for you. Okay, now beta in A part beta there is the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is in between 1 and 2 but closer to 2. So the time is beta quarter to 2 o'clock. So we will write down it like 1:45. Okay, because 12 to 9 there is a 45 minutes. Fine. Now next beta, according to this beta, the time is, if minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is in between 10 to 11. Okay, but closer to 11. So the time is beta quarter to the next hour 11 o'clock, and we will write down it like 10:45. Fine. Now next beta, C part. According to this beta, the time is, the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is in between 4 and 5. Okay, so the time is quarter to 5 o'clock. That means beta the next hour, and write down it like 4 then colon sign then 45. Okay, fine. Now beta the D part you will do it in homework. Fine. Now beta complete this book exercise 12.3 at page number 139 and do practice to see the time on a clock at home. Fine beta. Now that's all for today beta. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.